Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how character gender works in GTA 5. Understanding this depends on whether you are playing the story mode or the online experience, as the game treats these two modes very differently. In story mode, your main protagonists have fixed identities, but GTA Online offers more flexibility. We will go over both scenarios to clarify your character creation and customization choices. When playing the single-player story mode, you control 3 distinct protagonists: Franklin, Michael, and Trevor. Each of these characters has a predetermined gender, appearance, and personality integral to the game's narrative. There are no options within story mode gameplay to alter their gender or fundamental physical characteristics. They remain consistent throughout your playthrough, offering a fixed perspective on their world. For GTA Online, the experience is different because you get to design your own character. Upon starting GTA Online for the first time, you will enter a detailed character creator where you can select numerous features, including your character's gender. This initial choice determines many cosmetic options available later, so consider it carefully when building your online persona, as it impacts your overall appearance. Once your GTA Online character is created, you have extensive options for customization. You can visit clothing stores, barbershops, or tattoo parlors to change outfits, hair, facial features, and body art for a small fee, often a few $100 or $1,000. While these options allow for vast appearance changes, they do not provide a way to reselect your character's initial gender choice. Only superficial elements are altered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.